There are two types of photoreceptor cells sensitive to light stimulation: cones and rods in the retina layer of the eye. Cones are sensitive to stimulation in light environment, and they are sensitive to color and sharp vision. And rods are sensitive to stimulation in low light environment, and they're colorless vision-related cells. These cells transmit the impulses they receive to the bipolar neurons in the retina, and the bipolar neurons transmit to the ganglion cells. The axons of ganglion cells run parallel to the retinal surface and merge at the optic nerve disc to form the optic nerve. Optic nerve passes through the optic canal and leaves the orbital cavity and enters the cranium cavity. The optic nerves from both eyes combine in the cranium cavity to form the optic chiasma. In the optic chiasma, the fibers coming from the nasal part of both retinas cross over to the opposite side, while the fibers coming from the temporal part continue on the same side without crossing. Thus, the fibers coming from the nasal retina of the eye on one side and the temporal retina of the other eye join and form the optic tract. Most of the fibers in optic tract synapse in the lateral geniculate body. The lateral geniculate body sends the impulses received from the retina via optic tract to the visual center of the occipital lobe by optic radiation. Some of the fibers coming from the retina to the lateral geniculate body via optic tract go to the superior colliculi and pretectal area without synapse. The fibers leading to the superior colliculi are related to the motor mechanisms of the head and eye movements, and the fibers leading to the pretectal area are related to the pupillary light reflex. There are also fibers starting from the retina and extending into the suprachiasmatic nucleus of the hypothalamus. This path, called retinohypothalamic tract, is related to the regulation of some neuroendocrine functions. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.